In the vast world of children's entertainment, few names resonate as profoundly as Cocomelon. What began as a father's endeavor to educate his children has transformed into a global sensation, captivating millions of young minds worldwide. In 2006, J. John, a father with a background in media and animation, sought to create engaging content to teach his children the alphabet and basic concepts. Collaborating with his wife, they launched a YouTube channel named Checkgate, focusing on simple, animated videos featuring nursery rhymes and educational songs. Their initial videos were modest, combining basic animations with classic children's songs like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Baa Baa Black Sheep. Despite limited resources, the content resonated with children and parents alike, laying the foundation for what would become a monumental success. As the channel gained traction, it underwent several rebrandings. In 2013, it became ABC Kid TV, reflecting a broader educational focus. By 2018, the channel adopted the name Cocomelon, symbolizing growth and a fresh identity. The introduction of 3D animation marked a significant turning point. Characters like Baby JJ and his family were brought to life, engaging children with vibrant visuals and relatable stories. Songs were now accompanied by narratives that taught life lessons, from brushing teeth to sharing with friends. Cocomelon's popularity soared, amassing billions of views and becoming one of YouTube's most watched channels. Recognizing its potential, Moonbug Entertainment, a digital media company specializing in children's content, acquired Cocomelon in 2020. This acquisition facilitated Cocomelon's expansion into various platforms, including Netflix and Spotify, and the introduction of merchandise ranging from toys to clothing. The brand's reach extended globally, with content translated into multiple languages, ensuring accessibility for children worldwide. Cocomelon's success isn't solely attributed to its catchy tunes and colorful animations. The channel employs a strategic approach to education, utilizing repetition, simple language, and relatable scenarios to reinforce learning. Each episode is meticulously crafted to address developmental milestones, teaching children essential skills and values. The integration of music and storytelling enhances memory retention, making learning both effective and enjoyable. Vocabulary highlights. To assist English learners. Here are some key vocabulary words from the story. Endeavor, noun, an attempt to achieve a goal. Example, J. John's endeavor led to the creation of Cocomelon. Traction, noun, the gaining of popularity or support. Example, the channel gained traction among parents and children. Rebranding, noun, the process of changing the corporate image of an organization. Example, the rebranding to Cocomelon marked a new era for the channel. Acquisition, noun, the act of acquiring or gaining possession. Example, Moonbug Entertainment's acquisition of Cocomelon expanded its reach. Meticulously, adverb, in a way that shows great attention to detail. Example, each episode is meticulously crafted for educational purposes. Cocomelon's journey from a father's simple idea to a global educational powerhouse exemplifies the impact of passion and innovation. Its commitment to making learning accessible and enjoyable has touched the lives of countless children and families. For English learners, Cocomelon serves as a valuable resource. Combining entertainment with education. Its clear language. Repetitive structures. And engaging content make it an excellent tool for language acquisition. Remember, consistent exposure to English through songs and stories can significantly enhance your language skills. Keep watching. Keep learning. And let your language journey be as joyful as a Cocomelon episode.